Ever wondered if you could put your Tangem wallet to work and earn some passive income? You're holding this sleek, secure piece of hardware, safeguarding your precious crypto, but could it be doing more than just storing your assets? That's the question we're diving into today. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, staking has emerged as a popular way for investors to earn rewards on their holdings. By locking up certain cryptocurrencies for a specific period, you contribute to the network's security and operation, and in return, you receive a percentage-based reward, much like earning interest in a traditional savings account. This concept has gained significant traction, offering a compelling incentive for long-term holders. Now, when we talk about staking, the immediate thought often goes to the specific cryptocurrency being staked and the platform facilitating that process. Different blockchains utilize various consensus mechanisms, with proof of stake, POS, being the most common for staking. POS networks rely on validators who stake their tokens to verify and validate transactions, earning rewards for their participation. So, where does the Tangem wallet fit into this picture? Tangem is renowned for its focus on security and ease of use, providing a cold storage solution for your digital assets. Its primary function is to securely hold your private keys offline, protecting them from online threats. This inherent security is a major advantage for any crypto holder, especially those looking to engage in activities like staking. However, the crucial point to understand is that Tangem itself doesn't directly offer staking functionality within its hardware or the Tangem app. Tangem is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you have full control over your private keys. It acts as a secure vault for your crypto. The actual process of staking is typically handled by the blockchain network of the specific cryptocurrency you want to stake or through decentralized applications, dApps, and platforms that support staking. Think of it this way, Tangem is like a secure safe for your gold. While the safe keeps your gold secure, it doesn't inherently generate more gold. To earn more gold, you might need to invest it elsewhere. Similarly, Tangem securely holds your crypto, and to stake those crypto assets, you would generally need to interact with a staking platform or the specific blockchain staking mechanism using your Tangem wallet to manage your funds. This often involves connecting your Tangem wallet to a compatible dApp or platform that offers staking services for the specific cryptocurrency you hold. For example, if you hold Solana and want to stake it, you would typically use a Solana staking platform and connect your Tangem wallet to authorize the staking transaction. The platform then manages the staking process, and the rewards are usually deposited back into your connected wallet, which in this case would be secured by your Tangem. Therefore, while you can't directly stake on your Tangem wallet in the sense of the wallet itself providing the staking feature, you can absolutely use your Tangem wallet to securely manage the cryptocurrencies that you are staking on various supported platforms. Tangem provides the crucial security layer for your staked assets, ensuring your private keys remain offline and protected throughout the staking process. So, to answer the initial question, no, you cannot directly stake on the Tangem wallet itself. However, you can leverage the security of your Tangem wallet to hold and manage the cryptocurrencies that you are staking on other platforms and protocols. It's a subtle but important distinction. Your Tangem wallet is your secure gateway to the world of crypto, including the opportunities presented by staking, but the staking action itself happens on the respective blockchain or a dedicated staking platform. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.